Hello everybody and welcome back in our playlist Reacjs. In this episode we learn together what does mean useRef, the main use of useRef in our project. Okay, let's get back here in our application and our app.jsx. Okay, here it is our screen, useRef, DOM access. Okay, let's try step by step to implement useRef in our project. First of all, we'll start maybe by importing useRef as a hook. Okay, then let's add some command to elaborate more. Okay, the first thing will be like we'll try to add or to use the input as an example. Okay, we are trying always to use some simple example to explain more and more. Okay, the constant will be like input ref equal to use a ref hook like so. Okay, for now we can add the input tag. Okay, like so. With the input, if you want, we can add we can specify the type, which is a text, like so, and then we can add the placeholder. It will be like enter your name, something like that. Okay, let's see together. Okay, here it is our input. Okay, very good. Let's get back to our code. Okay, for now, if you want, we can add a button. Okay, we'll see later which is the role of this button. Okay, it will be like so, button and close tag of button. Okay, the name of button will be like, for example, folks input if you want. Okay, here it is our button. It's created successfully. Okay, for now, if you want, the next step will be like creating a function. Okay, we are adding always those kind of comments to explain more and more, to make things clear and easy to understand. Okay, let's create the folks button, the folks function. It will be like a const folks input equal, it will be like an arrow function, like so. This is the syntax of an arrow function. Okay, the input ref dot current dot folks, like so, like a method. Okay, very good. For now, we can use this function with an event in our button. The event will be like onClick event. Okay, like so. It's so simple to implement. Copy and paste here, folks input function. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's save and see together how it works. Okay, we have to implement here. Okay, let's add, for example, here we create a reference. Okay, the input ref from useRef is like a reference object to use later in our project. Okay, just to explain more and more, to make things easier to understand. Okay, let's add another comment here. It will be like here the Vox on actual DOM. Okay, DOM element, like so. Save and see together. Okay, if we click, we have anything. Okay, we have something wrong maybe. Okay, let's get back and check together. Okay, the button is here, the input like so. Okay, the input ref. Okay, yes, we need to pass the input ref as a reference in our main input, like so. Okay, normally it will work properly right now. Okay. Okay, save and see together. For now, let's click on our button. Okay, it works successfully. It focused on our input properly. Very good. Okay, it works successfully. If we click on the button, we have to focus on the input. Let's inspect together in the console. We have anything. We haven't any error and any bug. Let's close it. Okay, it's a simple example just to know more how to work with a use reference on a small example like so. So we can say that useRef mainly for DOM access, for timer if you want, previous value, immutable storage. Hope that you love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you in next video.